Hey guys, it's me, the Pometnov, and today I'll show you how to build Withered Golden Freddy. This build is pretty cool because just like in-game, he cannot stand up. He is bound to this position, as well as normal Golden Freddy. This is basically practically like the same build as Withered Freddy, with some minor alterations, like he can't stand up, and he's made of yellow color. By the way, if you look close, you notice that there are two types of yellows, like a much saturated yellow and a paler yellow. This is an optional kind of like addition to your build. I decided to do this because it's much more highly accurate. And basically, what I also wanted to say is I build FNAF animatronics in series. So when I finish all FNAF 2 animatronics, I'll go to the next game and build those animatronics. Anyways, less talking and let's get right into the tutorial.
Take this to your grave.
Anyways, now that that's complete, let's assemble Withered Golden Freddy. Let's first of all detach the head, like this. And now, the bottom torso, like this. Then we take the legs. So, this 1x4 sticks outwards like this. Make sure to align the feet with the actual, rear end. So it would sit perfectly. Anyways, we take this hand with this 1x3 going outwards and we put it right here. And we put the one on the opposite side right there. Anyways, this is Withered Golden Freddy. I really enjoyed building this build, and I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. And if you really enjoyed it, then I would definitely recommend sharing this video with your friends and showing your love by subscribing. Also, don't be shy to post your comments about what you want me to build or any kind of additions to my LEGO tutorials. If you really like this content, then like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more FNAF 2 LEGOs. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video.